Taxpayers can now submit their supporting documents via the SARS online query system, also known as SOQS. This digital platform, provided by the South African Revenue Service, allows taxpayers to interact with SARS relating to their tax affairs, even if they are not registered for e-filing. First, visit the SARS website. Once opened, scroll down and click on the SARS Online Query System tab. On the next screen, click on the Submit Supporting Documents tab. Once the field open, enter the required details exactly as registered with SARS. These include personal information like your title, initials, name and surname, company registration number, or trading name if it is a business. Enter the email address, the mobile number. The telephone number is an optional field. Select the ID type, South African ID number, passport number, or company registration number, or the trust number. Remember, only valid company and trust numbers will be accepted. Then the next step is to select the tax type from the drop-down list that you need to submit supporting documents for: income tax, pay as you earn, VAT or transfer duty. Next, add notes in the Notes field to explain the reason for submitting the supporting documents. Make sure that the notes are clear and understandable. Make sure all information is correct before continuing. Then click on the Next button to proceed. Once all the mandatory fields have been completed, the capture screen will be displayed. Complete the on-screen capture field and click on the Submit button. The case details screen will be displayed. Where there are multiple active case numbers, all the numbers will be displayed. Select the case number relating to the supporting documents that must be attached. The Upload Supporting Documents screen will now be displayed. View the upload tips and ensure adherence to the rules. Click on the Upload button to browse your personal computer or laptop and locate the supporting documents to be uploaded. View the list of attached documents to ensure that all the relevant supporting documents have been attached. Click on the Delete icon next to the specific document to delete an incorrect document. Once complete, click the Submit to SARS button to send the captured details and attached documents to SARS. The Query Successfully Submitted confirmation message will now be displayed. SARS will send an email with a message to notify whether the documents have been successfully received or that there is an error. The emails will provide specific messages relating to the error and the action that is required by the taxpayer. Please complete the survey. Your feedback helps us improve our service to you as the taxpayer. Thank you for watching this video on how to submit supporting documents via the SARS online query system to SARS. Watch out for more videos like this on SARS TV on YouTube. SARS, at your service.